What's up, everybody? It's another trade recap, July 15th, 2024. Trade recap on ES. So, 1 hour time frame, what we had overnight, push up, found a level of resistance, had a rejection candle to the downside, had a previous 1 hour support that it also respected at 8 o'clock. Let's break it down to 30-minute. So, like we said, 8 o'clock candle had a rejection. 9 o'clock candle shot back up. So let's break it down to a 5-minute candle. Show you exactly the trade that we took. So after we found the level of support breaking back above this 1 hour level, we had a bullish engulfing candle. Break up, came back down, retested that level perfectly and rejected it back up to the upside. After this bullish candle, I started to look for long positions. This took the position a little bit before market open around 9:20, knowing that momentum or hoping that momentum was going to continue to drive this market up for my 2-to-1 R&R. So like you see here, we had a perfect 2-to-1 R&R by 9:35. Was already out of that trade, right? So let's go play it, show you what it was looking like, because there was another trade opportunity right here that I'll show you exactly what we saw on it. So after market open, we had a strong pullback back to this level, was never able to break below this 1 hour support right here. So we had multiple wick rejections. After this second wick rejection, actually could have took long positions again right here. Let's put a 2-to-1 R. Boom. Let's break it down a little bit. 24, 50. Here's your 2-to-1 R. Rejection of the level, multiple rejections of that same key level that we were looking at before, right? Boom. Another 2R. Here's your two and R trades for the day. We did end up getting a pullback because there was another 1 hour. Actually, it did break above that too. Let's just play it. I'll show you what it looked like after. Yeah, it broke back above that. Also came all the way back down. Now we're playing back again around that same area that we had earlier around market open. Let's go to the daily to see what we could look for tomorrow. All right, on the daily candle, we have multiple wick rejections to the upside. So we could possibly anticipate the market coming back down a little more, maybe to these levels at 56.41 tomorrow. But we definitely have to break below 56.67 before we can start to look for shorts down to 56.41. Take a look at gold real quick while we're here. Yeah, gold is still having trouble breaking this area right here. So like you see, it closes another wick rejection around this daily level here. So what we could also anticipate for gold is maybe come back up. If we can't break these highs, we'll definitely start to look for shorts down to 24.06. Break it down to 4 hour, see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, it's a huge pin bar rejection on the 4 hour time frame. Let's go down to let's mark up some psychological levels here. We have these quarter levels that I like to use a lot on gold. Also psychological levels. Quarter levels is 1425, let's say 14 or 24, 2425. 2400 would be the next one down. If I go back, you could almost see every time it'll do some type of reaction off these quarter levels. So the next one to the upside would be 2450, which it didn't really get there. We did have a big wick rejection, so we could probably come back down to 2400 before we continue our longs up to 2450. Have to be 24.25 and then 24.50, but that's a 500 pip move right there. If you're able to capitalize on that whole move. $23.75 is another psychological level. Like I was showing you, you could almost see reactions every time that it touches these levels. I've been trading gold for a long time, and I've noticed these levels are key. A lot of people don't talk about them, but they're there. All right, we could potentially see shorts on gold for tomorrow. We'll tap back tomorrow afternoon and see what that's looking like. But my main instrument that I've been trading and being super successful with is ES. It's S&P 500 futures. Let's go break it down to 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you see we have this multiple rejections again back down to the downside. All these rejections, we could potentially look for longs up to 57.04. We'll see what it does around this area that it's been stuck at since yesterday. So you could tell it's a strong level because we had all this noise over here too to the left, right? And it's still playing in that area. So we'll see what it does tomorrow morning around this area to see if we're gonna potentially take longs or take shorts. See where structure's looking in the morning. Let's break it down to 15-minute time frame, see what it's looking like. 4:56 p.m. Eastern time, so 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's not looking good right now. It's stuck in a range consolidation. We're gonna have to get a clear breakout to get a sense of direction for tomorrow. Alright, you guys, we'll tap in again tomorrow to see what it's looking like. And this is just a quick breakdown of the trades we took earlier today. Tap in again tomorrow to see what it's looking like, and then we'll see where the market actually went. We'll do a recap of what we predicted today and see where it looked like tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Learning as we go. Learning every day. Student to the game. Alright, you guys, good luck tomorrow. Tap in soon.